Hello everyone. Today we are continue addition in Numberblock. Let's start. 4
I1 plus
4
I1 equal
8 2
I1 plus
15
I1 equal
17 19
I1 plus
8
I1 equal
27 7
I1 plus
16
I1 equal
23 10
I1 plus
9
I1 equal
17 12
I1 plus
6
I1 equal
18 20
I1 plus
3
I1 equal
23 20
I1 plus
16
I1 equal
36 16
I1 plus
16
I1 equal
32 the double 30 16 number 16 equal 32 7
I1 plus
11
I1 equal
18 7
I1 plus
10
I1 equal
17 15
I1 plus
19
I1 equal
34 17
I1 plus
18
I1 equal
35 it look very beautiful and it look very happy 7
I1 plus
9
I1 equal
16
I1 plus
14
I1 equal
27 11
I1 plus
16
I1 equal
27 again 27 7
I1 plus
17
I1 equal
24 10
I1 plus
14
I1 equal
24 wow 24 again amazing 4
I1 plus
11
I1 equal
15 3,
I one blood.
18,
I
2,
I one blood.
4,
I one equal.
6. It is so easy because it is a small number. 16,
I one blood.
20,
I one equal.
36, 3,
I one blood.
3,
I one equal.
16,
I one blood.
15,
I one equal.
33, 19,
I one blood.
2,
I one equal.
21, 13,
I one blood.
5,
I one equal.
18, 5,
I one blood. I one equal.
8, 11,
I one blood.
7,
I one equal.
18, 18,
I one blood.
19,
I one equal.
37, 13,
I one blood.
3,
I one equal.
16, 11,
I one blood.
11,
I one equal.
22, 4,
I one blood.
sợ không?
I one equal.
18, 2,
I one blood.
12,
I one equal.
14. Lesson in the end. See you again in the next lesson. Goodbye.